Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to recover disabled Facebook account. Even if your account is disabled 2 or 3 years back, you can recover that account also. So you have to watch this video till the end and you have to follow each and every step very carefully. For this one you have to open Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your phone. And then here you have to type your disabled account username and password. And then you have to click on login tab. Here you can see your account has been disabled. For more information please visit the help center. Here you can see the date on 28th of October 2018 our account was disabled. So you will see a message something like this. What you have to do, you have to click on go to help center. Scroll down. Here you will see use this form to request a review. You have to click on this tab. Now here you have to type your full name. Now you have to attach your ID card copy. And then you have to scroll down, click on send tab. Here you will see error. We cannot review this decision because too much time has passed since your account was disabled. Most of you will not see this error and their request will be submitted to Facebook. They will review the request and they will reopen your account. In case some people, if they see this error, then what they have to do, they have to open Gmail. And they can log in with any Gmail account. They have to click on Compose tab. In two sections you have to write down info dot. You have to write down this one in two sections. In subject you have to write down my account was disabled. In Compose section you have to write down this email. You will get this email stuff in video description. You have to copy this email stuff. And then you have to paste here, and you have to write down here additional two things. You have to add either your Facebook username or you have to add your disabled account profile link. And second thing, either you have to add your phone number or email address. If you have created your account with phone number, you have to type your phone number. If you have created your account with email address, you have to write down here your email address. After writing all this information, then you have to click on send tab. So you can see our email request is successfully submitted to Facebook team. Now you have to make sure your email is sent or not. You have to again open Gmail, click on these three lines, click on send, and here you can see our email is also submitted to Facebook team successfully. Now you have to wait for 48 hours. Make sure you have to wait for 48 hours. After 40, receive a notification something like this. And now you have to log into your Facebook account. And then you have to log into your account. And here you can see we are successfully logged into our Facebook account. Here you can see our account which was disabled, and we have so many friends also. And now we have retrieved our Facebook account with this method. If you still face any kind of issue, comment below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.